What to do if your bilge pump stops working? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your bilge pump suddenly stops working while you are out on the water? It can be a nerve-wracking experience, especially in rough conditions. The bilge pump is essential for removing water from the lowest part of your boat, known as the bilge. Let's go through some steps to handle this situation effectively. First, take a moment to check for any obvious issues. Look around the pump intake and discharge hose for blockages or debris. Small objects or sludge can clog the pump and prevent it from functioning. If you see anything, clear it out right away. Next, try testing the pump manually. Most boats have a manual override switch located on the dashboard or near the helm. Activate the pump using this switch to see if it runs. If it works manually but not automatically, the issue might be with the float switch or the automatic control system. If the pump does not work even when you try it manually, check the electrical connections. Ensure all wires are securely connected and free from corrosion. Corrosion is common in marine environments and can block power from reaching the pump. Also, inspect the fuse or circuit breaker for the bilge pump circuit. If you find any blown fuses, replace them or reset any tripped breakers. Next, test the float switch. This component activates the pump automatically when water reaches a certain level. Manually lift or press the float switch to see if the pump starts. If it does not activate the pump, it may need to be replaced. If you suspect an electrical issue, use a test light or multimeter to check for power at the pump terminals. Make sure there is voltage when the switch is activated. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it is best to consult a qualified marine electrician. Keeping your bilge clean is also important. A dirty bilge can lead to debris clogging the pump or jamming the float switch, which can result in failure. Regular cleaning helps prevent these problems from occurring. If the pump still does not work after these steps, consider using a backup pump or manual bailer to remove water from the bilge until you can make repairs. In rough water, having a backup plan is especially important for safety. Always use marine-grade wiring and connectors for any repairs. These are designed to withstand the harsh marine environment and help prevent future failures. Finally, if you cannot resolve the issue and water is rising in the bilge, prioritize the safety of everyone on board. Head for shore or call for assistance if needed. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and address most common bilge pump problems. This will help keep your boat safe and operational, especially when conditions get challenging.